today I'm going to be showing you my room tour. It shouldn't be too long of a video since my room is nothing crazy, but yeah, it was requested, so thank you to who requested this video. Yeah, so I'm just gonna give you a quick overview of my room, what's in it, where I got some things from, and yeah, I'll give you a quick view into my closet. It's messy, it's weird, warning you now, but I will show you my room. So we'll start outside. So I have double doors and you just open it. My room is downstairs and this is what it looked like. My room still is not done. I'm still in the process of redoing it, but this is what it looks like as of right now. So once I'm done it, I'll probably post another room tour, but we'll just start over here. So actually we'll start with the floors. I originally had carpet and then I redid the floors. So these are just like not stick on, you clip the floors together. It's like vinyl. Yeah, so also ignore this powder. It's, we have ants. So over here, I'm planning to get some pictures for the walls eventually, but I just have white walls. This is my nightstand. I love it. That's my oatmeal bowl. It matches. It's marble actually, but whatever. It's from HomeSense. I think it was like $100, but I honestly really love it. So I just keep these fake tulips on it. My mom got them for me. This lamp, I've had it forever. I have no idea where it is from. And then just my Laneige lip balm I keep there. My window is just plain old. I don't even know where the shutters are from, and I just keep my Kobo up there for when I want to read before I go to bed. So speaking of beds, this is my bed. This bed frame has traveled everywhere. It used to go up and it used to be not white, and we cut it, painted it white, made it my own. This blanket I have had for years. It is from Indigo. It's just a big fluffy blanket. I think it looks really nice with my floor, just so the room isn't like so white. It's great. I really love it. My duvet duvet cover, sorry, is from IKEA, and I really like it because the other side is gray, so sometimes I can change it up, but I usually just keep it on the white side. This little pillow, I believe it's from Pier 1 Imports. I got it a really long time ago. It's actually a funny story. So I saw this pillow and I loved it, and I was with my mom. I was about 17 or 16, I believe. And I was like, Mom, can I please get this? And she was like, if you can guess the exact price, I'll buy it for you. And I said, okay, $22.50. And it was $22.50. So I was just meant to have that. Then my pillowcase. So it says to sleep perchance to dream. That is by Shakespeare. I actually got these at like a Christmas craft show a few years ago, but I just really like how they look on my bed with just the quote. And then underneath this, I have recently gotten a silk pillowcase, and that is great. Only on that side. So if anyone ever is sleeping over, sorry, you don't get silk. Yeah, so that is just my bed. Next we can move on to so these are just fabric because it's glass, and then you'd be able to see my room. We just straight up cut these and put them on. I used to have all of this, but it was a little too see-through, so I just did a gray. Yeah. So then my fireplace, if you've watched my old vlogs, you can see my room used to look like, and it was this did not look like this. I painted the fireplace white, and then my dad and I stained wood, and he built it on top of the fireplace so it looks like that. So I really love that. And then that little wood cover I've had forever, and we need to fix this little chunk of wood that's missing, but it's, once again, still a work in process. So up here I just have this little picture that says do something you love today. My mom got me this little like spiky ball thing, and then I just have some baby's breath. They're my favorite flowers, which I clearly need to replace. It's obviously not a priority right now. I have my TV. It's just a small little TV. I have this little star. I actually got this at Christmas as a Christmas decoration, but I just liked it, so I left it here. It's also from HomeSense. The star, or the little spiky ball, is from HomeSense. The picture, I believe, is also from Pier 1 Imports, and then that little cup is from Indigo. So a thing we need to work on is the wires. We're trying to find a way that we can hide these. So if you guys know any ways, comment down below. But the star of the show is my big ass mirror. Hi guys, this is my outfit. This mirror is from IKEA. I absolutely love it. It doesn't distort you. It's massive, it's clear. Yeah, it's awesome. That was the number one thing I wanted when I was redoing my room, was just a really nice big mirror, and that is exactly what I got. And here, this is my closet, but we can go into that after. Yeah, then I just have this little hanging plant thing from HomeSense. As you can tell, I shop at HomeSense a lot. On the floor here, I just have a little rug. It matches my blanket and my floor. I have no idea where that's from. Probably HomeSense. And then over here, I just have this little mini Alex drawer. It's from IKEA. I just keep some random things, makeup, hair, you know, the random. On top, I have my Amazon Echo. I'm not gonna say what the name because she'll freak out on me. I just keep a candle, any candle. My little salt rock lamp is from Indigo. I don't know where this fake plant is from, but I love it. And then this is just where these bracelets are from, the brand. They send you these little postcards, and I just think it's cute, so I put it there. I just keep my purse beside my bed here because it's easy to grab. That one I'm using right now is from Pixie Mood. Then up here, I just have these two little plants. I just love them because the light's always on them, and they just a little something cute to add. Once again, of course, from HomeSense. So that's basically the full outline of my room. I can give you a quick glance into the closet, but like it's really weird because, okay, so this is basically a fake door. It doesn't open. I don't know why. But this one, it goes to my closet. My closet is not cute by any means. It's meant to be a storage compartment, but we made it my closet. So I just have two dressers and then hanging racks with a bunch of clothes. We have this mirror, which was for my dorm originally, but now it's in my closet, and just all my shoes. And yeah, that's it. That's my closet. And that's my room. So that's basically it. I hope you guys enjoy this. Comment down below some ideas you have for more decorating or prints or whatever really. So yeah, I hope you guys are staying safe, and I'll see you guys in my next video.